Planning to print stickers but don't know which type to choose? In just 3 minutes? This video will help you pick the right sticker for your product. Top 5 most popular types of stickers today. 1. Paper sticker, decal paper. Affordable, easy to print and cut. Ideal for fast-moving goods, handmade packaging, and paper boxes. Note: not water-resistant, not suitable for outdoor use. 2. Plastic sticker, PP, PVC, PE. Made from synthetic plastic. Water-resistant, tear-proof, and weather-resistant. Perfect for cosmetics, home products, bottles, and warranty labels. Available in glossy or matte finish with strong ink adhesion. 3. Clear vinyl sticker. Transparent stickers for a no-label look. Great for glass bottles or premium cosmetic packaging. Can be printed with white ink to highlight key info. Destructible sticker, tamper-evident seal. Used for anti-counterfeit or product sealing. Breaks apart when removed. Best for electronics, medicine, and safety-related items. Not suitable for wet environments. 5. Thermal transfer sticker, fabric labels. Printed using thermal printers and resin ribbon on satin, care labels, or nylon. Commonly used in garment exports or wash care labeling. Designed to be sewn, not adhesive-backed. We hope this video helped you find the right sticker type for your needs. If you found this content helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment your current sticker type. We're happy to give more advice.